The St. Catherine South Police are reporting a double murder in Naggo Head, St. Catherine. A woman was also shot and injured. The deceased have been identified as 17-year-old Kenrick Ebanks, otherwise called Wealthy Stunt, and 20-year-old Michael Elliot, otherwise called Bull. They're both delivery men at 7 Crave and of Portmore addresses. Commanding Officer SSP Leighton Gray says the incident happened around 4 o'clock this morning.
The victims of this household were asleep. Their house was invaded by gunmen on foot, armed with rifles and handguns.
SSP Gray adds that the Naggo Head community has been relatively quiet since the start of the year.
Crime. Inevitably, there will be elevated operational activities within the Naggo Head community in order to ensure some semblance of order prevails. Business operators and shoppers are able to peacefully conduct their affairs without fear and to reassure the law-abiding residents.